Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna learn how to draw a Christmas tree. What you will need is an eraser, a pencil, and a black marker, or Sharpie. And for the colors we need for coloring it, we need green for coloring the actual tree in, brown for coloring the trunk in, and different colors to color the lights or ornaments or stuff that you draw. So let's put this to the side. And first we're going to use our pencil. And we're going to draw a star. Here's the easy way I want to draw a star. Just squish this paper. Okay. So first we're going to just do the normal star people do. It's like a simple one. Then I'll show you how to change it to a star. So we're going to do like a upside down view maybe sort of thing. I'm gonna make this big, little, not that big though. And then make a dot here. I'm gonna connect this to here with a diagonal line. And then we're gonna put a point here. And then we're gonna just connect that with a straight line. Connect that to the dot. And then we're gonna connect this to here with a diagonal line. There, we've got a star. But now we want to actually make it look like a real star, not just like one that has outlines in there. So we're going to take our eraser and just erase these lines inside. This one. Just do the star here. There, you have got the star. She'll look like this. Just erase a little more. There. So now we're going to use a black marker and then we're going to just trace it. Da, 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 da. It's almost like you actually drew a real star, not just outlining and stuff. Now we're going to draw an actual Christmas tree. So we're going to start here. Just going to do a curve. Not that big. Same thing to the other side. Don't worry if they're not that equal length. It's not too. Then we're just gonna draw zigzag lines to connect them. Sorry for the camera block. So then now we're gonna draw another one. So we're gonna do a curve. This time it's gonna be fatter. And we're just gonna do curved zigzag lines again. And then we're going to draw one last one. You can draw as many as you want, but I'm just going to draw 3 layers. The other side. Just then we're going to draw a branch now. So first, you can choose kind of one side. So first we're going to draw like a rectangular shape. You can make it longer, shorter, whatever you want. And then now I'm going to draw some lights. So I'm just going to draw a curved line over. And then I'm going to draw some like little, I don't know what you call it, drop shape or something. Do this one. And this one we're going to have 2. Marker's running out of ink. So we're officially done, but you can add more details if you want. Maybe some dimensions on the side. Now I'm going to color and fast forward this part, but at the end you can pause the video and just like get caught up with the coloring and copy exact. So mine So I hope you like watching how to make a Christmas tree. How to draw a Christmas tree. Sorry, I forgot to mention yellow. The color you need for the star. If you colored it differently, that's fine. So here's mine how it ended up. How mine ended. If yours didn't end up like this, or like I don't know, it's okay. Everybody's drawing is different. So I hope I have another drawing tutorial soon, and if you guys like this one, please subscribe, click the bell for new videos, and we'll see you later. Bye!